Hello, this is Trammell from the Crypto Whiskey Discord. I'm going to show you how to navigate our server and what to expect. So first, I'm going to log into an account that is not part of the server yet. I'm going to go down here and join a server. This is one of my invite links that I had copied. When I join the server, you'll see here there's a live stream channel, which you don't have nothing to do with right now, and then there's a verification channel. You're going to click on the verification channel. Here are the rules of our server. Basically, it's just saying, be respectful, no profanity or not safe for work content. A few cuss words here and there, that's fine. But nothing that's, ugly towards people. No spamming, and no advertising. Once you read through the rules and you understand our rules, you go down here to this little check mark and you left click it or you tap it on your phone. When you click that, it's saying that you agree and you verified that you read all the rules. Once you verify that you read all the rules and that you agree with our terms and you click the check mark, you then get access to the rest of the server. From here, you'll see a welcome channel. It just tells you who joins and agrees to the rules. Announcements is a channel that we post big events to. Again, he lists the rules if you want to check on them again. And down here under general is all our chats. All these chats are free to join. You have your general chat, which is just general information. You can talk about whatever you want in here. Your crypto chat, which is usually for crypto. Stocks, TA, profit gains. You can post your profits here. You don't have to put the dollar amount. You can just put the percent amount. You can block out any information you want. We're not really worried about how much money you made. We're worried about how much of a percent gain you made. Here's a premium link channel. You can join our monthly for only $5 a month currently, or lifetime. Lifetime right now is $120 one-time fee until we get 100 members. That would be running out soon because we are coming pretty close to having 100. So once we have 100, the price will increase. This is a watch list that we post to daily, nightly, whenever we see some stocks or crypto that might make a pop in the coming days. This channel is a challenge that I am doing personally, and it's where I start off with 100K in my account and I turn it to 10K. This challenge is mostly option trading. So if you don't know what option trading is, then you can get with me and I can kind of explain and go over it and walk you through it. This challenge is not a weekly thing. This will take time because the options that I go in, I try to make sure they're safe and secured. NFT chat is anything dealing with NFTs. Your weekly recap is where we will post here and kind of give a recap of our plays, our gains, our losses, and things like that. Member plays is where you can come and type in the plays that you think might work out. Testimonies is where members will kind of go through and just say how good of a Discord this is and how we know what we're doing and how much money they made. Free signals. This is going to be one of your best friends right here. We post free signals daily in here. As you can see today, I post an option call for SQ, expiration date. The strike price in the contract price at 8:38. So at market open, I posted that call. If we go down here to 9:06, that's 30 minutes later. It went from 215 per contract to 440 per contract. That's over 100% gain, and that's in free signals. Now, we will not post that often in here or frequently. I will post daily, but you have more of a chance of getting better quality signals um, in the premium section. Down here is a voice chat. So if you want to chat with some people, y'all can all join the voice chat and just chat along. Bots, you don't really have to worry about right now. If you don't know what a bot is, then it doesn't really have anything that that can really concern you at this point. If you have a problem or want to create a support ticket, you can get a support ticket and open one up, and we will go and address your needs. This ticket is only visible between me and Crypto Whiskey, and any other staff or moderators of the server, which currently there are not any. Here's a FAQ: how much is premium? How do you purchase? We'll be updating this as time comes. But yeah, that's basically it on the free side. Now let me switch over to my other account and show you what it look like on the premium side. Alright, we're here on my other account. This is my moderator account, Trammel. So here's the server again. You have the same free section, but if you go down here, you now have a premium section and an educational section. The premium section, we have short-term trades, mid-term trades, long-term trades. These trades are going to play out within the given channel. So if it's short-term, expect, profits within the next couple of days. Mid-term can be weeks, and then long-term can be weeks to months. This is more of an investing channel right here. Everything else is trading. The difference between trading and investing is you're holding it for a while trading, you're trying to make a quick profit. Here is option signals. This is where I post option signals for stocks. Here's shorts for crypto. I will be adding to this as I see need. Premium voice channel, so you can chat with other premium members if they're in here. The educational section is kind of dry right now. We are focusing mainly on our members at the moment, and once we get a good member count, we will start adding more to the educational section. But yeah, that's basically it. So if you need any help or have any questions, just reach out to either me or Crypto Whiskey, and we're happy to help you. Or you can also create a support ticket if you like. So yeah, thanks for checking us out.